Revolutionize your cable management with 3 game-changing nylon cable tie machines. First, meet the handheld Nylon cable tie machine. Compact, lightweight, and built for flexibility. This portable powerhouse is perfect for field work or tight installations. Fast, reliable, and easy to use. It ties cables efficiently with minimal fatigue. Next, the desktop-shaped nylon strapping machine, your go-to for high-volume, industrial-grade applications. With stable performance and precision tying, this machine is designed for continuous use on the assembly line, boosting productivity and ensuring uniform results. Then step into versatility with the semi-automatic desktop nylon cable tie, bridging the gap between handheld convenience and desktop stability. It offers controlled automation, ideal for mid-level production needs. It delivers consistency, speed, and reduced operator effort. From portable precision to desktop power, each machine is engineered to meet specific needs. In cable management, whether you're in manufacturing, electronics, or field installation, we have the perfect nylon cable tie solution to streamline your workflow. 3 machines, 1 goal: faster, smarter, cleaner cable tying.